Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add no due date task on ClickUps. Maybe you want to add task on ClickUps that has no due date, but you don't know how. In today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add task that has no due date on it. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your Clickup application, you'll be directed to your home page. And as you can see below, here is the notification icon, search icon, and these are the dotted icons. And here, to add a task that has no due date, you'll see in here to do. And below that, you'll see here no due date. Tap on this plus icon to create a task that has no due date. And then in here, create a task name. For example, you want to create a name that is subscribe. After that, you can add description and you can add date in here. You don't have to add dates because it has no due dates, and you can add recurring or add subs task. You can also tap on this clipboard icon to upload a file. So what you need to do is to tap on this choose list and then select a space. In here, tap your list name. For example, no due date. Tap on create list. And now, you can choose this no due date. And tap on this create button to create the task with no due date. As you can see, the task is created. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to add task that has no due date, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add task that is no due date on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.